In this video we will see the NCAP safety ratings for Vitara, Brezza and Tata Nexon to check how safe each car is. Now let's check same safety rating for Tata Nexon. Tata Nexon becomes the first made in India, sold in India car to achieve Global NCAP's coveted 5-star crash test rating. The Tata Nexon scored 5 stars for Adult Occupant Protection and 3 stars for Child Occupant Protection. Following the Nexon's 4-star result earlier this year, Tata has improved a number of safety features including making a seat belt reminder (SBR) for driver and passenger a standard for all variants of the model. In addition, the Nexon was required to pass a side impact test meeting UN 95 side impact protection requirements Tarankan. Do you know what is Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza safety rating? Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza 2020-2022 has been awarded 4-star safety rating. 5-star rating is considered the best, whereas 1-star rating is considered the worst. How are safety ratings determined? Each star rating is determined following a series of destructive physical crash tests, an assessment of onboard safety features and equipment, and performance tests of active collision avoidance technologies. The Global NCAP safety rating is what every automaker boasts to show the safety levels of their cars. Tata, Mahindra, and even Honda are advertising the safety of their cars using these ratings. In line with the recent developments and the government's strong stance on the car safety standards, the new Brezza is claimed to have taken the safety factor